Hey everyone, welcome back to Flashy Ubuntu Online. Today we're going to take you through the process of uploading your very first website. We're going to upload the Index.HTML Boiler Plate page that we created in the previous demonstration. There will be a link to that in the description or somewhere on the screen. To do so, we're going to be using FileZilla. You can use any FTP client that you feel comfortable with, but I choose FileZilla for the moment. We've created our script. This is our HTML boilerplate from the previous video in Sublime Text. You can see our file structure here is public HTML and our Index.HTML. Currently on the website, our live server, when we hit refresh or enter, we have forbidden. This means that there is either an error in the file structure or the index page is missing, and we're telling the user simply you do not have access here. Once we upload the index file, this will show our new Index.HTML page, and you will have created your very first web page. So let's go back to Sublime. You can see here Index is inside of public HTML, so we want to match that in FileZilla. Now if you haven't already done so, you can log in with your host name or your IP, username, password, and we want to navigate our local machine here on the left to public HTML, and same thing on the right, our remote side, public HTML. And once this opens, you'll see it is empty. Now to upload, we can either click and drag, or we can simply right click and click upload, and it just takes a second. Boom, that's it. We have uploaded our first page to the website, and we should now have a live web page. So when we hit return or refresh, now we're showing our H1 tag, which is Flashy Ubuntu, and our paragraph, which is this line of code, this string, which is obviously a URL, but it is not a link. It is not clickable because it is a paragraph. One last thing I'd like to show you here would be, if we look at the, let's view the page source actually. If we look at the source code, you can see our text here, and we've got our H1 tag and our paragraph. So I appreciate you checking it out. If this is interesting to you and you'd like to learn more, our next video is going to be covering how to add images, tags, links, lists, and things like that. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And Flashy Ubuntu out.